Do you suffer with any aches and pains from old injuries or even an accident? Are you an athlete who is battling a nagging sports injury? Do you live with constant low back pain or neck pain and headaches? Do you suffer from any type of repetitive stress injury such as carpal tunnel syndrome or tennis elbow? If any of these describe you, you'll be very excited by what you're about to see in the next few minutes of this video. Because regardless of your injury, whether you've been dealing with it for years or just recently started experiencing pain, what you are about to see in the next few minutes will quickly, safely, and naturally help to relieve your chronic or acute pain, so you can once again enjoy life pain-free. You'll hear about an incredible new healing system used by many people around the world, and how this non-invasive method of healing is so effective it has received FDA approval for the treatment of carpal tunnel syndrome. In addition, some medical studies have shown this fantastic healing method is also a godsend for other treatments such as soft tissue injury, general pain relief, wound healing, arthritis, migraine headaches, swelling, burns, pressure points, and sores, and even acne. Truly, what you are about to discover is changing the way people around the world are dealing with healing. So, what is this incredible healing technology? Well, it's called cold laser therapy, and thousands of people have given it credit for the healing of their injuries and pain without any drugs, injections, or unnecessary surgery. Medical investigations have concluded that a new technology that uses light, that's right, simple light, can help conditions that previous therapies have failed to impact. Here's how it works. As scientists have studied the nature of light and its positive effects on both our bodies and our brains, they've been able to develop techniques and modalities that use light to heal. Cold laser therapy uses the compressed light of a wavelength from the cold, red part of the spectrum of electromagnetic radiation. How is this different from natural light? Well, in many ways. First of all, cold laser light is one color. It travels in a straight line on a single wavelength, and it concentrates its beam in a specific location. Because of these qualities, cold laser light is able to penetrate the skin surface with no heating, no damage to the skin, and no known negative side effects. Instead, this type of light energy is directed to the body's cells. The cells convert this light energy into chemical energy, which promotes natural pain relief and healing. It's as simple and as safe as that. The reason why this type of light is so effective is that cold, red light is able to penetrate more deeply than other light waves in the visible spectrum. As the cold laser light penetrates through the different layers of skin and fat tissue, it optimizes the immune response in your blood, which has both anti-inflammatory and immunosuppressive results. Another reason why this therapy is becoming so popular is that, again, it has no known negative side effects. As a matter of fact, in almost all investigative studies, cold laser therapy has never caused a single injury. Unlike high-powered lasers that cut through tissue, cold lasers promote healing by giving energy to your body's cells. It has none of the harmful effects of over-the-counter or prescription drugs, and doesn't come with any of the risk of surgery. Best of all, cold laser therapy doesn't require ongoing treatments like lots of other remedies. Once the underlying energy has been healed or the pain banished, a cold laser patient is free to enjoy life without the interruption of ongoing lengthy office visits. And when getting cold laser therapy to alleviate your pain, you don't have to get undressed. There's no medicine involved, and there's no special procedures to go through to get prepared. Because cold laser therapy involves a device that is the size of a small flashlight. It's truly a miniature-sized miracle. Cold laser therapy is able to work through light clothing, so it doesn't require the use of gels or creams, and it can be done right in our office. Now, while most patients feel absolutely nothing during treatment, others report slight tingling in a nerve or along a nerve pathway, as well as a slight feeling of warmth. But you can feel good knowing that most cold laser patients in our office refer to cold laser therapy as totally comfortable and completely painless. You'll typically get to experience about 4 to 15 cold laser therapy treatments in total, with each session lasting between just 15 to 30 minutes max. This, of course, depends on how chronic and severe your condition is, as well as your overall health. A thorough evaluation will certainly be done before you begin treatment. What kind of pain-relieving results can you expect from cold laser therapy in our office? Well, about 75 to 80% of cold laser patients typically report improvement either during or after therapy. Thankfully, because of how gentle cold laser therapy is, there's no recovery period needed following your sessions. Following your course of cold laser therapy treatments, not only do most patients feel a tremendous improvement and decrease in pain, most don't require any additional treatments. How great is that? So, if you're dealing with any sort of chronic pain, consider these points about cold laser therapy. Number 1, you no longer have to put up with pain and injury. The times of having to take medications with side effects, go through hours of demanding and time-consuming physical therapy, or risk going under the knife are now gone. When you get cold laser therapy in our office, you can help to alleviate pain in a safe, natural, non-invasive, and effective way. With cold laser therapy, you can enjoy life again, pain-free, just like everyone else living without any sort of nagging injury, the way your life should be. Imagine getting out of bed in the morning free of pain and stiffness, instead getting up feeling great, ready to conquer the day. Imagine being able to participate in your favorite recreational activities without chronic injuries or pain stopping you in your tracks. Imagine not only being able to enjoy these activities, but imagine performing them at your best. And imagine not thinking about what you need to do to feel better anymore. Instead, you have peace of mind knowing that your pain, injury, wound, or condition will be managed and even possibly eliminated in a safe and natural way. If you'd like to experience firsthand the safe, comfortable, and amazing benefits of cold laser therapy right here in our office, here's what you should do right now. Take 10 seconds to fill out the form below with your name, address, telephone number, and email address. You'll instantly receive a complimentary, no-obligation cold laser therapy consultation certificate, which we'll use to get you started living pain-free. You won't be pressured to buy anything or spend any money, and there's no cost to use this certificate. You'll simply get to spend time one-on-one with our cold laser therapy specialist and find out how quickly cold laser in our office can help to relieve your pain. So if you're ready to say goodbye forever to your aches and pains, and you'd like to find out how cold laser therapy in our office can work for you, take 60 seconds right now to fill out the form below. Once you receive your complimentary certificate, simply pick up the phone and give our office a call. We'll schedule you for your no-obligation complimentary cold laser therapy consultation and get you started feeling your best. So go ahead, fill out the form below.